Yo, what is up everyone? Welcome to another video. We're over here at the chop shop, we already know. And we're still trying to get this axle off the C36. So we got Will and Vinny working up in here. We'll see what they're doing. Got Vinny working on, what are you working on? Miata?
I'm actually trying to find where this ground goes. I know it didn't go there, so it goes like this.
Saving $10 right now. That cutting mat so I can take out the stupid axle. Yeah, if anybody knows about Miatas, we're trying to get this running.
You know what this guy.
Alright, so we got this thing angled off.
Yeah, there's your spear. It's a little warm.
We will definitely see if this is going to work because there's an angle in it. Alright, check it out. Alright.
That's not that good.
Failure. No, I'm just kidding. They said they tried for 15 minutes and then it finally went.
No shot.
Maybe, I don't know.
What is it doing? Like jackhammer?
It's hammering it. It's basically just hammering it.
Damn, that's tough. No, man. Yeah, let it bounce a little. Oh, okay. Yeah, man. That's scary. Jack the car up and go underneath. It looks like it's the starter. Look, check it out. Cause it's like it goes on like a copper like plug, you know.
So where's the starter?
It's right there. Like.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah. I don't know how I'm gonna get to it, but
You have to get from underneath?
it's gotta go underneath. Yeah. Wrecked it hat.
We're trying to think of ideas that
How to take your paint off the improper way.
Brand new oil filter for the next oil change.
so we basically figured out that that sensor was this little like ground or something.
That plug goes to a sensor.
It goes to the sensor.
I don't know. It's got to do something.
Look at the wrench he made. He made a custom wrench right now.
Dude, it's all I could do. Check it out. Look at where I'm at.
It's way inside there.
Let me see.
You can't really see it.
So a custom wrench for the win, I guess. Let's try. It's working though. The only thing I gotta figure out now is when it's tight. Once it gets snug, I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna use to tighten it.
You cut it like that, so I'm gonna see what I can get in there. Spin it.
Nope, I broke it.
Damn it. Is this broke? Yeah.
It's flexing.
Yeah, you're gonna have to cut it like through the wheel.
Yeah,
I don't care about doing it.
yeah, just cut the wheel later. Cut it off. Alright, I'm just getting off film. Alright, so he cut off the whole shit, but it's still not trying to.
Show me some WD-40. Looking PB.
So he ended up drilling it out even more, and then got the tip out right there. Yeah, so now I can get this off and then take this trailer in. Alright, cleaning it up. How's it looking? How's it looking?
Yeah, it's alright.